Nano Banana Pro is everywhere. New drops, new features, new 10 prompts you have to try. Threads. Your feed is basically breaking. Nano Banana Pro just released. This is insane. Okay, new feature, so what? The problem is the endless learning loop. New model, then tutorials. New feature, buy another prompt pack. New threads, save it for later. Repeat, no offer, no outreach, no customers. This video is the opposite for that. If I were in your shoes, here's exactly how I'd use Nano Banana to make $297 in 2 days. Grab one simple use case, turn it into a $297 Ghost Photoshoot offer, and sell it to an influencer with 100 cold DMs. No extra tutorials, no prompts wizard. Just one tight experiment. Let me show you the whole thing start to finish. I'm Chris. I've built 3 different businesses using the same framework: a web agency, an AI education brand, and a 28-day execution program called Execution Squad. Inside that program, we don't chase tools. We run the same loop. Hypothesis: who do I help? With what? For how much? Execution: talk to them. DMs, looms, emails. And sales: get clear yes or no. And decision: look at the numbers, scale, pivot, or kill. This video is that loop applied to Nano Banana. And here's the detailed plan. Grab a real Nano Banana use case for Twitter. Turn it into a $297 Ghost Photoshoot hypothesis. Send 100 cold DMs to fashion influencers and break down the numbers, replies, calls, and one $297 sales. And most importantly, I will show you how to analyze the data so you can run your own experiments instead of getting stuck in the next feature trap. Here's a random idea pick. Step 1, steal from the timeline. Open Nano Banana on Twitter and you will see recreations, fake photos, fan art, insanely good fashion and meter selfies. Cool, yes. Rent money? Not yet. So we pick a lane. Nano Banana turns regular selfies into campaign quality fashion photos. Like this image, the question is not how those Nano Banana works. The question is who is stressed about photos and could quietly solve that stress with this output. The answer, my hypothesis: mid-tier fashion influencers posting outfits constantly, doing or chasing brand deals, always needing fresh images. That's who we build around. Now we turn this into a hypothesis. 5 parts: who, pain, outcome, offer, price. First, who? Mid-tier fashion influencers with 20,000 to 30,000 followers on Instagram or TikTok. They post outfits and GRWM content, do or want brand deals, don't have a full-time photographer. Their pain is not, I want to try Nano Banana. Its shoots are expensive. I can't book a photographer every week. I have a brand brief due and no new photos. Every collab looks like a same mirror selfie. And summarize it, fashion influencers are stuck choosing between expensive photo shoots and recycling the same meter selfies, and define the finish line. From scrambling every week for shoots to 30 campaign-ready images from one selfie session in 7 days. No AI in that sentence, just the outcome. And package it Ghost Photoshoot, done for you, Nano Banana Fashion Pack. Influencers send 5 to 10 reference selfies, plus mood brand vibe. Over a few days, you or a contractor use Nano Banana to generate lots of outfits, poses, and locations. You curate and deliver 30 images ready to post. And write it clearly. You send the selfies, we send 30 campaign-ready photos in 7 days. And price, reality check. A simple photo shoot can easily run 3,000 to 600,000 plus. One decent brand deal can cover that. So we made it a low friction test. Price $297 for a 7-day Ghost Photoshoot pack. Capacity 5 influencers this month. That's hypothesis version 1. The one rule: don't change this hypothesis until you've sent 100 cold DMs. No tweaking the niche at DM 7 just because it feels bad. Time to execute. Finding 100 influencers on Instagram and TikTok, search outfit, street style, and filtered for 20,000 to 300,000 followers, and check their activities posting outfits and doing collabs. And every good profile goes into a simple set. Handle, platform, follower count, link to a recent outfit brand post. Spend about an hour, get 100 names. Short, specific, easy to say yes. Everyone who replies sure or send it gets the loom. Each loom is 2 to 3 minutes, same structure every time. That's the entire funnel. Day 1, 50 DMs. Day 2, 50 DMs. 100 shots on goal. Now the part almost everyone skips. reading the data. Here's our example numbers from the experiment. 100 cold DMs sent, 26 replies, and 11 people watched the Loom, and 5 serious conversations, short calls, and 1 sale at $297. Most people see 1 sale and instantly label it a fail or a fluke. Don't do that. Turn it into a simple funnel. Reply rate, 26%. Room view rate, 42%. Conversation rate, 45%. And close rate, 1% overall. Now you can ask a real question. Is it 26% reply rate bad? No, that's healthy for cold DMs. Is it 42% Loom video rate? Okay. Yes, almost half of replies watch it. Is 1 out of 5 serious conversations closing terrible? For a brand new offer, it's actually decent. This is why data matters. Where are you leaking? If replies are low, fix the DM. If Loom views are low, fix the hook subject line. If calls don't close, fix the way you explain the offer or price. These numbers are example numbers. When you run your own experiment, track the same funnel: DMs, replies, Looms, conversations, sales. Then ask the key question from the execution flywheel. Based on these numbers, do I scale, pivot, or kill this idea? With this example, replies are solid. People watch the Loom. Someone paid $297. That's not no demand. That's a small but real signal you can build on. Decision here: scale slowly and refine. One more thing, you don't need to be a Nano Banana genius in this system. Here's how delivery looked. After closing the client, I went to people already posting crazy Nano Banana fashion work and sent a message like this: I'm selling a Ghost Photoshoot service to influencers. I'm bringing the clients and handle communication. You do the Nano Banana prompting and image cleanup. I pay you per project. Are you interested? For this client, the client paid about $300. I paid a Nano Banana specialist $100 to create a polished the 30 images. They got to stay in the tool. I got to stay in hypothesis, outreach, sales, client management. So structure it like this: find a painful problem, package the offer, sell it, manage expectations, read the data. A specialist's job: live in Nano Banana, push prompt, ship great image. That's how you act like a business owner instead of a full-time tool student. Here's the big idea: you don't need to become a prompt god. You need to become a businessman. Tools change every month. The fundamentals don't. Pick a painful who, promise a clear outcome, and send a lot of outreach, and let the data tell you to scale, pivot, or kill. If you want the step-by-step of how we do this, how we build hypotheses, track the funnel, and make decisions, check the in-depth training, linked in comment. If you just want to more experiments like this, you can still hit follow and subscribe. Everyone else is still learning the next Nano Banana feature. You just saw one way to turn it into $297 in 2 days. Now go to run your own experiment.